In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SMS notifications on Shopee. Getting timely alerts and updates is crucial, especially if you're frequently buying or selling on the platform. Notifications can ensure you don't miss out on sales, track your orders, or stay up to date with the latest promotions. So, let's make sure your Shopee app is set up just right for this. First, begin by heading over to your Shopee dashboard. This is essentially the homepage of your Shopee account where all your personalized details and options are accessible. It's where you typically land after logging in, and from here, you can manage almost every aspect of your account. Once you're on the dashboard, draw your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your username displayed. Give it a click. This will lead you to a drop-down menu that houses several of your account options, making it easy for you to navigate to different functionalities and settings that Shopee offers. From this drop-down menu, select My Account. This option is your go-to for everything related to your personal details, preferences, and settings on the platform. Clicking it will take you into a more detailed section of your account, highlighting various settings that you can adjust to enhance your shopping experience. Now, look to the left side of the screen where you'll find a sidebar of different settings. Among these, seek out Notification Settings. This section will allow you to customize how you receive communications from Shopee, whether it's through emails, push notifications, or in our case today, SMS. In the notification settings, you need to look for the specific category labeled SMS notifications. This is the setting that will allow you to receive SMS alerts directly to your phone, ensuring you never miss important updates. Beside this option, you'll notice a toggle switch. The key here is to ensure that it is turned on. You'll know it's enabled if it appears green. If it's not already green, simply click on it to toggle it on. And just like that, you're all set. By enabling SMS notifications, you've successfully ensured that you'll stay informed about your Shopee activities at all times. This little bit of setup can drastically improve how you interact with the platform, keeping you in the loop without constant checking. Remember that staying informed is crucial, and by setting up SMS notifications, Shopee becomes more user-friendly and aligned with your personal needs. Thank you for tuning in to learn how to enhance your Shopee experience through SMS alerts. Be sure to check back for more tips on getting the most out of your online shopping endeavors.